Right now we have the water plugged in, and we already let the machine like run the nozzle for like 3 to 5 minutes to let all potential like air out.
拍，你要对着这个拍呀，你要让它看到我们的水已经放出来，没有空气了呀。好了。
Looks like a pretty steady stream. No, I think no air bubbles.
然后插上电源，你跟他说，现在插上电源。
Right now we're gonna plug in the power.
然后这个绿灯
shows green.
Yeah. 然后我们现在比如说这个水还是可以放的，对不对？水。Yeah. 这个头
Machine's not on, still the same.
green， 对不对？
We're putting on the green nozzle.
So it's like this, right?
This is how the green nozzle is.
然后打开这个电源。
Turning on the pressure washer.
你看，现在跟他讲了，你看我就不把它按掉，它一直在转。本来是我们打开这个的时候，电源开，它那个声音就停了嘛。然后我们打开这个，它才会开始转。一关掉，它就停了，就 stop 了 ，right？ 你要跟他讲。
As shown, the motor started going off as soon as we turned on the machine. We didn't even squeeze the trigger yet, and even after letting go of the trigger, the motor does not stop. And the motor only stops after we powered it off.